Thank you, my lord. Page 4, are we on page 4?
Page 4.
At the bottom, there's that picture there.
I'm on it.
Okay.
Mfazi awuke isithombe sesifo-ke lapho-ke kule sithombe leso-ke kwikhasi lesine-ke bathi ngabo lapho yini athi yebo ngilapho.
You spent some bit of time under cross-examination by Advocate Mnisi trying to explain a date in which a picture can be created, and then you came up with 3 possibilities, correct?
That's correct. There are more than 3, but I mentioned 3 today.
Wathi ngesikhathi lesi umnumzane umnisi adabuza kwimibuzo mayelana nendlela isithombe basenza ngayo mhlawumbe indlela isithombe esibhalwe ngakhona-ke wena-ke lapho ukhuluma amahlongothi amathathu-ke athi yebo ukhuluma amahlongothi amathathu kepha-ke akhona amanye amaningi engakhulumile-ke ngawo.
And then among those 3 possibilities, you mentioned the renaming of a photo or a file.
That's correct.
Bathi kulezi ezintathu okukhulume ngazo-ke indlela zesikhangiso noma-ke indlela isithombe abantu senze ngaso-ke wena la ukhulume khona ukuthi mhlawumbe indlela ababuye bashintshe ngayo kusho ukuthi renaming athi yebo kunjalo.
And then just on page 4 now, what is the file name?
The file name is Gadla Njenene.
Bathi lapho-ke kule khasi lesifo ngabe yini renaming yakhona-ke athi athi uGadla Jenene.
Are you able to explore further reasons as to what is depicted on this picture or on this metadata?
Bathi ungakhona ukushela mayelana nezinye indlela ebhalelwa ngaphansi kwe-metadata.
Should I continue and mention?
No, I'm saying now the file name as well as the date. Can you give further reasons?
It could be that the date could reflect when he renamed his picture to Gadla Jenene.
Athi lapho-ke kungavela-ke kwelinye usuku olusha-ke ngesikhathi ede eshintsha-ke igama lesithombe lesi-ke bese sibhala lapho-ke ukuthi uGadla Jenene.
And then place the date created on record.
2014-09-02-1632.
Bathi awusho-ke ilanga leli isithombe abasi-create ngalo-ke mhlawumbe senziwa ngalo created ngalo-ke athi lapho 2014/09/02 shuthi ilanga lesibili kwenyanga kaSeptember ngonyaka 2014 athi isikhathi lapho-ke imizuzu 32 ngemuva kwehora laka-4.
And then the path.
The path is a memory card and it's a photo.
Bathi apho kwipath ngabe yini athi memory card bese athi isithombe.
And then also Mr. Ramsipile during cross-examination took you through the photo above this one that you're referring to. Can you place the file name on record?
The file name, it says photo 0053 _E3_E1.jpg.
Bathi ngesikhathi-ke ummeli uRamsipile kade akhuluma-ke ebuza kwimibuzo-ke lamana ngesithombe esilangaphezulu kulesi langaphansi kwemibukiso ka-exhibit SD. Bathi lapho-ke asho ukuthi i-file name athi i-file name yakhona-ke wathi uphoto -0053-_E3_E1 JPG.
And the date in which it was created?
2014-09-02-1632-00.
Bathi-ke ilanga lesi sithombe abasithatha ngaso-ke lapho-ke athi unyaka 2014 ngenyanga yesi-9-ke lapho-ke isikhathi sakhona-ke lapho imizuzu 32 ngemuva kwehora laka-4.
Modified?
It was modified on 2014-06/20/1949-00.
Bathi lapho ngaphansi ko-modified athi 2014-06/20 isikhathi sakhona-ke lapho ku-19.49 minutes.
And then the type of device that was used to capture this photo?
It's Samsung.
Bathi athi lapho i-Samsung isicingo abalasebenzisile lithandle lesithombe lesi-ke
GT C3 222.
or wathi lapho ku-Samsung suthi lapho ku-GT-C3222.
Is it now the same device that you made reference to on exhibit S, your affidavit on paragraph 6.1?
Bathi ngabe yiyona-ke le model ekhulume ngayo ngaphansi kwe-affidavit yakho-ke lapho-ke ngaphansi kwe-paragraph 6.
No, this one is Samsung GT E3220.
Athi cha le khona la ngaphansi kohlelo lakho le-affidavit isho ukuthi inkulumo ebhala ngaphansi kwesifungo lapho-ke athi lapho 6.1 phansi paragraph 6 athi Samsung GT-E3220.
Then does that then follow that this memory card that you made reference to was inserted on different devices?
That's correct.
Ngabe lokho kusho ukuthi le memory card kade isetshenziswe kumakhalekhukhwini abahlukene athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
And then Advocate Munisi referred you to a medical report by the dentist, Dr. Ali.
Yes.
Do you have it in front of you?
No, I don't have.
Athi khona-ke inkulumo akhulume ngayo-ke lana-ke ummeli Advocate Mnisike kaDr. Ali, kaDokotela Ali. Ngabe unayo lapha phambi kwakho athi cha nginayo-ke.
Do you have it in front of you?
Yes, I have it.
Can
Athi
you
yebo nginayo-ke manje.
please state the name, patient report inmate, place the name there. On top of the report.
Athi bhala lapha phezulu kule report leyo-ke.
Patient.
Page 2.
Athi lesikhathi lesibili-ke.
On the second page. Oh, yes. Patient report inmate, Ntobisi Mnube.
Bathi lapho-ke umuntu ade aye kuyena-ke egula noma isiguli ade siya isambe kuyena-ke lapho no-patient noma mhlawumbe isiboshwa-ke bathi uMthobisi Mncube.
Should I continue?
Yes.
Registration number 217249595.
Bathi lapho registration number-ke leyo nombolo eyilandelayo u-2, u-1, usikhombisa-ke lapho u-2, u-4, u-9, u-5, 95.
Hospital number 0335038.
Isibhedlela inombolo yesibhedlela-ke lapho-ke ebhaliwe lana-ke u-003350378.
Then let's move to paragraph 2, findings. Where it's handwritten, I hope you'll be able to read that handwriting.
Findings, dental examination and radiographic exam done, in brackets X-ray.
Athi-ke lapho-ke kunalokhu udokotela akutholile okubhaliwe lana ngaphansi ko-paragraph 2 sokuthi izinto udokotela ayitholile-ke lapho-ke bathi dental examination lapho izinto ayithola ngesikhathi ade senza-ke ukuhlola kwakhe-ke mayelana namazinyo-ke wesiboshwa kade siye kuyena mhlawumbe esigulini lesikade siye kuyena-ke lapho-ke athi wasifake ngaphansi kohlelo lwe-X-ray.
Patient present with discolored tissues on tooth 17, 16, 26, 27, 36, and 38, 38, 46, and 48.
It's discolored features.
Oh, it's not tissues, it's features. Oh.
Yeah, just read the entire paragraph and then the interpreter will follow.
That word, abrasion, what?
Abrasion,
Abrasion, listen.
lesions.
Present on 34, 35, 45, 44, tooth 37 and 47 are absent. Tooth 12 and 22 are slightly rotated but
Sound?
sound. Tooth 11 and 21 have mild toothbrush abrasion, but are also sound. In conclusion, right upper canine is questionable for abrasion or marginal preparation. However, no gold inlay is currently visible in the mouth. Advice for a second opinion.
Thank you.
Bathi mayelana nenkulumo kadokotela lokhu akubonile-ke ngesikhathi athi anomuntu like yena-ke ekade senza-ke iy'nhlolo zakhe-ke lapho-ke athi izinto ayithola-ke lezi ade zingaphansi kwamazinyo izinyo le-17 okuyinombolo le-16 okuyinombolo 26 okuyinombolo 27 okuyinombolo 36 38 okuyinombolo 46 and 48 athena-ke into ade ayithulila kade zikhona-ke akuthola kade khona-ke lapho-ke kungaphansi kwezinyo le-34 35 44 45 kepha athi mayelana nezinyo lesi-37 futhi nezinyo le-47 kuyinombolo-ke lokhu akaze kakutholi kepha mayelana nezinyo lesi-12 futhi nezinyo le-22 ngokuyinombolo-ke lokhu akathola ukuthi kade khona-ke ukushintshwa kade khona ngaphansi kwalamazinyo lawo-ke kepha athi mayelana nezinyo lesi-11 futhi nezinyo lesi-21 kade khona-ke ilokuzana nje encane futhi encane lapho-ke sithi i-toothbrush-ke noma abrasion kade khona-ke lapho-ke noma kade khona-ke lokhu umsindo kade ukhona-ke lapho sithi isound inyanga kade khona-ke lapho-ke bese athi ngokuqedela kwakhe inkulumo yakhe kuwukuthi lapho mayelana namazinyo akhe akhona-ke la ngaphakathi la ngaphezulu-ke na-ke umazinyo akhe esandleni sokudla-ke lokhu akuthola ukuthi khona-ke kunemibuzonyana akade ayibuza mayelana nodaba lwe-abrasion lokhu kade akutholi ukuthi lamazinyo afana nala mazinyo kwenja-ke khona-ke lapho-ke futhi nama-general preparation kepha athi angakazi athole kuwukuthi akazi izinyo legolide lapho kade lingekho-ke noma kade lingajengakali esikhathini samanje kulo mlomo-ke walo muntu-ke kepha athi inkulumo yomuntu wesibili-ke nayo-ke yamkelekile kulolu daba lolu.
Thank you. Can you please then state the date of the examination as well as the place at the bottom right?
The date of examination is 18/06/2025, Kalafong Dental Clinic.
Bathi-ke usho lana-ke ilanga leli ngesikhathi umnumzana uNcubeke bekahambile ohlala nodokotela kwamazinyo ukuthi wabhalele liphike ilanga lapho-ke athi wabhala ukuthi 2025-06-18 kusho ukuthi nge-18 inyanga kaJuni kunyaka ka-2025 bathi indawo ebhaliwe lapho-ke kusho ukuthi uKalafong Dental Clinic.
Are you able to give a comment regarding the conclusion of the doctor?
Bathi ngakhona ukukhuluma yini mayelana nesinqumo udokotela sithathile.
I have no knowledge of this, my lord.
Athi cha ngalokho ulwazi lwalento esikhuluma ngayo-ke.
I can only comment on what I have seen, which is God.
Athi kepha ngakhuluma mayelana nodaba lwento-ke awayibona-ke nje kuphela.
Thank you. And then the date of this examination is correct, that is the 18th of June 2025.
That's correct.
Bathi ngabe kuqinisile ukuthi lo muntu ke wahamba uhlangana nodokotela ngelanga lange-18 ngenyanga kaJuni ngonyaka ka-2025 athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
And then the date in which you observed a gold tooth on that photograph, can you place it again once more on record? On the photo, the metadata.
Bathi mayelana nemetadata ke lesithombe ngabe babhale liphiki ilanga lapho
2014 09/02 163200.
bathi athi lapho bhale ukuthi ngenyanga ka-2014 ngenyanga kaSeptember ngelanga lesibili-ke lapho-ke bese-ke isikhathi sokuthi imizuzu ewu-32 ngemuva kwehora laka-4 ntambama.
You agree with me that those are two different dates?
That's correct.
Bathi akuvuma yini ukuthi lokho-ke amalanga amabili-ke ahlukile angafani athi yebo ngiyakuvuma.
Okay. Just still on that page, if you can just page over on page 4 of the metadata. Page 5, I mean, page 5.
Metadata.
Page
5.
Lesikhathi esihlanu-ke.
Can you explain the modified and access dates on that at the top?
The modified date is 2014 07/16 21 21 00.
bathi ngaphansi ko-modified hawa babhalele iphiki ilanga lapho wathi 2014/07/17 bese isikhathi esibhaliwe lapho kathi u-17-03-00.
Do you know?
Acce-
Okay, yes.
Accessed 2015-02-06-0000.
Base ngaphansi ko-access kushuthi ngaphansi ko-access that babhale ukuthi 2015-02-06 isikhathi basibhale lapho kushuthi isikhathi saka-12 ke ebusuku.
Do you know what is the meaning of that?
Ngabo yazi ukuthi ngabona ulwazi lokuthi lokho kusho ukuthini.
Which one?
Modified and accessed?
Bathi modified futhi no-accessed.
Modified is when the memory card, like I've said, when it's disconnected and connected into a phone.
Athi
Once you
modified
switch it on again, it's modified.
athi modified kungemuva uthi ku-memory card bayikhiphe bese baphinde babuye futhi bayifake ngaphakathi kocingo-ke. Athi uma seyibuya futhi uma sebeyibuyisela ngaphakathi kocingo evame ukuthi ibhale ukuthi lapho modified.
And then just lastly, on that picture that follows on this exhibit, file name, what is the file name there?
Bathi kula sithombe sila ngenzansi-ke kwasithombe lesi iqeda khona ngaso ngabe ithini ke file number ekhona lapho kune-file name.
Shembe is the W.
Or bathi abhala ukuthi lapho-ke Shembe is the W.
Okay, and then the date, file format,
File format JPEG.
Bathi lapho ngaphansi file format wabhale ini athi JPEG.
and then path,
Bathi path.
Memory card is a photo.
Bathi ababa ukuthi memory card bathi photos.
date created,
2014-09-02-16-32-01.
Bathi langa Thomas wasathe ngalo-ke lapho kanje 2014-09-02-16 .3201.
date modified,
2014-07-17, 17-03-00.
Bathi lapho ilanga ebasimodify ngalo-ke isithombe lesi kathi 2014-07-17-17-03 minutes.
so the picture on page 4 as well as that one that you just placed on record, are the dates the same? The date in which they were created?
Yes, they are the same.
Bathi isithombe lesi ngabe mhlawumbe ilanga lazo ilanga elilodwa lifanayo futhi isithombe lesi sokuqala bokukhuluma ngaso-ke futhi lesogcina athi yebo-ke isithombe sisodwa-ke noma ilanga lelodwa.
The difference is just a second in between.
Bathi umahluko khona-ke lapho-ke imizuzwana nje phakathi kwale zithombe lezi zimbili.
And it's also correct, what is common between these photos it was the renaming of the names of the files.
Yes, correct.
Bathi ngabe kuyiqiniso nje ukuthi umahluko khona-ke kule zithombe lezi kuwukuthi nje igama abalibhalile ngemuva ukuthi kwenzeke i-remaining ye-file. Bathi
Just
yebo kuyiqiniso.
lastly, place the modified date on page 5 on record.
Okugcina ke ukuthi modify date-ke kule sikhathi lesithombe sogcina-ke sikhona lapho lesikhathi lesi-5.
The one Shembe
Yes, the one written Shembe, the date modified.
modified is 2014-07-17, 17-03-00.
Bathi lesi isithombe esibhalwe lapho-ke Shembe is the W. Ngabe i-modified date yakhona-ke yiphi-ke lapho kathi 2014-07-17 dash isikhathi sakhona-ke usuthi imizuzu emithathu ngemuva kwehora laka-5.
And then just still on that aspect, the two dates, date created and date modified, what can you comment regarding those two dates?
Bathi bona nalamalanga amabili kahlukile ngaphansi ku-created futhi modified ungasho ukuthini-ke ngoba lamalanga lama ahlukile akubhaliwe lapho.
They are different. The created could be when it was renamed. The modified could be about the memory card.
Athi-ke amalanga akho ahlukile modified kushuthi mhlawumbe kungawela ngaphansi kwe-memory card kepha ku-created shuthi isithombe ilanga leli isithombe basatha ngalo-ke.
No further questions, my lord.
Yeah. Just simple questions for me. I'm sorry to ask you.
It's fine, my lord. If I'm capable, I will answer.
Yeah. Have you ever heard yourself of a child who is born with a golden tooth or a molten tooth? I know a child when it's born doesn't have teeth, and thereafter it acquires teeth. Have you ever heard of a phenomenon like that?
Those when they come out, they come in a
Meaning
strange
metal,
color.
metal. The anatomy of a human being.
I have never heard it.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you now. I've never heard it in my life.
Ade kuza ke inkosi enkathi ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe unalo yini ulwazi noma mhlawumbe selokuthola yini ukuthi ingane ke lapho ke bayibehla sele ke inawo kamazinyo kuyona ke kepha ke le gold kuyona ke cha akaza ahlangana nalokho.
Right. Have you ever heard of a person having encrusted teeth? For cosmetic reasons, women, men, they put whatever on their teeth. Have you ever seen or heard?
I have seen and heard about it, yes.
Bathi sele wezwa ke yini mana nodaba labantu ke lapho ke sithi abantu besilisa noma besimameke lapho ke abasebenzisa khona ke izinto lezi bafake emazinyo nabo nje ukuthi mhlawumbe ke izinto engathi mhlawumbe as a cosmetic ke sithi amagolide enyanathi yebo sele ngakuzwa lokho.
And have you ever heard of a person who sustains either a broken tooth or a tooth with a hole?
Yes, I have heard and seen
Bathi ngabe wakubona yini mayelana nabantu
such people.
abakhipha amazinyo ke mhlawumbe asela amazinyo ke egamukile besahlala salapho ke enombhobo uvulekile kuyena ke athi yebo sele ngakuzwa lokho futhi sele ngakubona.
And have you ever heard a person going to a dentist to inlay either a molten metal or even gold in a tooth which has a hole? Or you just take it out? I know we are poor.
Yeah.
When you have a hole in the tooth, you just take it out.
What I know with regard to that is when you have a hole, you can go to a dentist, like I did myself, and they patched that hole. They put something just to cover that hole.
So you have an inlaid stoppage on your tooth, as you are now?
Yes.
Can I see it?
It's invisible, but I can open my mouth.
No, just... And you say you went to a dentist?
Yes, I
Because
did.
you had a hole?
Yes.
Right? And he implanted or inlaid?
They cleaned my tooth with whatever, very cold stuff.
Yeah.
Then after they put something like, I don't know whether I will say it's like a tooth paste, and then after they grinded it.
Yeah.
Bathi ngabe sele wakuzwa yini mayelana nomuntu ukuthi mhlawumbe uma ngabe nombhobo ke ngaphakathi kuzinyo lakhe besahamba kolibhesha ke ukuthi afake izinyo legolide ke lapho ke athi cha kepha ke na ke mana nayo ufakazi athi yena kade enombhobo ngaphakathi kuzinyo lakhe bese wahamba ku dentist ke lapho ke futhi udokotela ke wamazinyo ke ngesikhathi bafika lapho ke athi khona ke into abayenza la kena ke qala bamgeza kamazinyo ke ngemuva kwalokho ke bese bamfaka ke lokuzana enye bandayo ngesikhathi athi bemfaka lelo kuzana bandayo ke kade bephesha ke lapho ke izinyo lakhe leli kade ligamukile lenombhobo kulona.
Yeah, in the townships, if you don't know about it, you can say you don't know. Have you ever seen persons who have teeth, as I say, encrusted with gold? Like the guys who sing, for instance.
Yes, I do come across such people. They put everywhere on their teeth. The whole front teeth, yes, you can visibly see teeth.
Yeah, but the point I'm
even
trying to
one
make-
of my colleagues, he has such.
Hello?
One of my colleagues,
Oh.
he has those gold also.
He's a policeman,
Yes,
and he's got what, golden incrustation
yes.
for fashion.
For fashion and we are organized crime. You can see me. It's not allowed in the police, but look how I look.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bathi
Okay.
yebo sohlekana naye umuntu yini ke mhlawumbe sithi lapho ke kwindawo ehlala kuzona ke emalokishini futhi uthi mhlawumbe fake ke amagolide ke kumazinyo wakhe ke wonkana athi yebo ukhona selokuhlangana nabantu abanjalo ke esikhathini esiningi futhi ukhona futhi omunye oza kwabo asebenzela ngaphansi kweziphoyisa ke naye thina lamazinyo ogolide ke amaningi ke naye wathi manje kungani kunalo daba lolo ke athi basebenza ngamacala ke anobungozi kakhulu kepha abavumile ukuthi bakwenze lokho ke kepha naye ke ukwenzile ngokuthi unayo nentshitshana lakhe nakhe.
Okay. Yeah, but basic anatomy, as an adult, you know that it consists of tissues, bone, muscles,
That's correct.
hairs. But you have never, if you have seen that, you must not agree with me, but you have never seen a guy who has an anatomical feature which he is born with, consisting of metal.
I've never seen that. That's correct.
Okay, any questions arising?
None, my lord.
Just the one regarding the court's question on the teeth that are worn, gold teeth or metallic shiny teeth
Yeah,
that
or
are
silver.
put by artists, mainly rappers. Do you know whether or not those features are permanent?
No, I cannot tell. I think some are permanent, some are not. So I cannot specifically say they are permanent or they are not.
And when you live here, go and Google. They are called grills. Go and have a look at them. But I'm done with you.
Grills.
Grills.
Oh, okay.
Bekabuza ke ummeli kule mkhambukile la ngosenkantolo nalaba abaculayo ke sithi ama-artist ke lapho ke ukuthi amazinyo abo egolide ke abafakile abamhlamba bafake umphelo noma bangabuye bawakhiphe futhi ke acha kanalo ulwazi ngodaba lolo.
Just for my clarification, Mr. Ramsey, when you say permanent, what do you want to convey?
If they are, for example, my lord, let's take somebody who's got a golden tooth. When he goes to sleep, he doesn't remove it.
Yeah, but we're talking about permanent.
Yes.
Is he born with
Not
that?
born with.
Is
Not
that-
born with.
Is he born with?
Not born with.
Okay, fine. Then
Yes.
you agree. Fine.
Yes.
Just one point. Say, are you aware that some of the examples that have been made by the court have got a potential to affect the color of the teeth of a person?
Wathi ngabona lo yini ulwazi ukuthi le kumalana nalezibonelo inkosi yenkantolo kade senza ke ngazo ke ukuthi mhlawumbe ziba nomthelela okuthizini uma ngabe sibuka ke indlela umbala wamazinyo womuntu.
I'm not so sure exactly. Maybe it can have such, but I've never experienced that. To be honest with you, I have never seen a person who took out a gold, ne, and then left the teeth with another color or something. I've never seen that.
Akakanaso isiqiniseko salokho ngokukhulumiswa iqiniso lakhe ukuthi akakazahlangana nomuntu ke kade afake izinyo legolide ke bese abuya likhipheke bese ngemva kwabone abuke kumbala walezinyo kade kufakwe kulona ke igolide kumhlabe lingabe lingabuya lishintshe ke bese banombala onjani.
However, I'm not saying it could not, it could. I'm neutral on that issue.
Athi ake umuntu angakhuluma ke lapho ke ume phakathi nendawo malana nolodaba lolo.
Thank you, sir. No further questions. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks. Are we sitting tomorrow, Doctor?
My lord, tomorrow we do not have a witness. The only witness is available on Wednesday for continuation. It's going
Who's
to
the
be
witness?
Brigadier Gininda.
Oh, is that so?
Yes,
He's not available tomorrow.
it's not available tomorrow,
Okay, so we sit on Wednesday.
on Wednesday.
Okay, the court is then will adjourn until Wednesday.